How to add loyalty card on Google Wallet. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set it up. First of all, open the application. So now we in this home page. Here on the right bottom, you can find this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon, and this is the section where you can add different wallets. So on the top, there's a section of loyalty card. Simply tap on it. Now here you can directly search for the loyalty card that you're looking for. So here there are many of them that are available. So tap on the one that you want to add into. So here I'm tapping on one. Now you can directly scan it or even enter all the details manually. So it's up to you. After doing this, simply tap on add to wallet and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.